This video is produced by the laboratory of Dr. Surajit Debnath. This demonstration would aid to understand why there was desperate need for strategies to promote sustainable practices in the first place. Let us do a small exercise using a simulation. This simulation would help us to estimate greenhouse gas emission in real time. This tool uses data from European Union and would help us to understand role of various factors such as industrialization, urbanization and associated activities on climate change. The data viewer simulates the greenhouse gas emissions and removals. The data is sent by countries to UNFCCC in the EU Greenhouse Gas Monitoring Mechanism. There are 5 major parameters in the menu, and user can deploy any of the analysis. For example, by sector analysis we can do a comparative analysis of greenhouse gas emission by a highly industrialized country such as United Kingdom with that of Iceland, a moderately industrialized nation. For United Kingdom, the analysis on emission of all greenhouse gases indicate that greenhouse emission for energy supply is much more than 200 K in the 1990s and came down up to 100 K by 2020. For public electricity and heat production, the greenhouse gas emission was 200 K and subsequently reduced to 50 K. Similar high emissions can also be seen for other sectors for this country. The higher emission is the result of the massive development and urbanization in the country. Similar analysis done by the laboratory of Dr. Surajit Debnath for Iceland depicts a different picture altogether. Highest greenhouse gas production in this country is accounted by agriculture or other factors. The all-time high magnitude is also much lower. An interesting feature of the analysis is rapid increase in greenhouse gas emission of this country during the post-2000 AD. This may be due to the increased industrialization of the country. This is an internal study by laboratory of Dr. Surajit Debnath. Thank you all.